Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing some Dior sneakers that I got from Kick. I worked with them before on my channel with some sneakers. They specialize in high quality reps on their website, so they have so many different designers and so many different style of shoes, so you're pretty sure to find something that you like on their website for a fraction of the price that you would get in the designer stores. So it does come with the Dior box. And I did pick out these shoes because I owned these shoes before, but in a different color. So I decided to go with the white. So it does come with this little Dior bag. And this is how it looks when you unbox it. So you have this little Dior here. You get a dust bag for your shoes. I really love that touch. Also, you do get some extra shoestrings in here because they are white, so that's really good too. And here is the actual shoe. So it is such a very fresh, crisp white too. Kind of scared to wear these because I don't want to get them dirty. They just look so bright white. So of course you have the CD for Christian Dior. You have the CD on the back. This is the bottom of the shoe, Christian Dior. The front, and the quality of the shoe, of course, is amazing. Such a nice quality shoe. Dior D30, I believe. B30 on the tongue. And take a little stuffing out. And then it has Dior on the inside as well. And then the sizing, I did get mine in a 38. So yeah, this is the shoe. Really nice, clean, crisp. Of course, a white shoe is so good and staple. Can go with pretty much anything in the wardrobe. Here's the other shoe. And yeah, just like the other one. Such good quality. Love Kick's shoes. Really, really nice reps. So make sure you guys check them out. I will have them linked in the description box down below, plus a discount code so you guys can head over there and shop. Hope you guys all enjoyed this quick little haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
When it's been a few hours, when it felt like days.